Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yaku right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to simply sign into a Google account. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply go to this particular URL right here, google.com. Then the next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on sign in, or better still, you can click on sign in right here. Then it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply select your Google account username, then select your two-factor verification sign in. Then it's going to take you right here. Use your passkey to confirm it is really you. You can click on continue or click on try another. This depends on the kind of passkey you use on your Google account. So right here, choose how you want to sign in. You can use either your passkey or your password or try another way. I'm going to enter my password right here. Then I'll simply enter my password right here. Then having entered my password, I'll come down below here, I click on next. And I have successfully signed in to my Google account, just like what you see right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply sign into your Google account without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.